Good morning, student. This is class 10th. Today we will study chemical properties of metals. Elements can be more clearly classified as metals and non-metals on the basis of their chemical properties. Most non-metals produce acidic oxides when dissolved in water. On the other hand, most metals give basic oxides. Metals are electropositive elements. Metals are very reactive. Metals tend to lose electrons easily and form positively charged ions. Therefore, metals are called electropositive elements. Sodium metal forms sodium ions, magnesium forms magnesium ion, and aluminum forms aluminum ions. The electropositive nature allows metals to form compounds with other elements easily. What happens when metals are burnt in air? Metals are electropositive in nature. They generally have 1, 2, or 3 electrons in their valence shells and readily lose these electrons to form positively charged ions. These cations are stable as they acquire noble gas configuration after losing the valence shell electron. As sodium has in outermost orbit 1 electron, it loses 1 electron and makes sodium ion. Therefore, ionization energy may be defined as the ionization energy or ionization potential is the energy necessary to remove an electron from a natural atom so as to convert into a positive ion. Metals like sodium and potassium are some of the most reactive metals. Potassium, sodium, lithium, calcium, and magnesium react with oxygen and burn in air. Metals from aluminium to copper in a reactivity series of metals react slowly when heated in air to form metal oxide. Aluminium is the fastest and copper is the slowest of them. Metal plus oxygen, metal oxide. 4Na plus O2, 2Na2O. Metallic oxide reacts with water to form hydroxide. As sodium oxide is a basic oxide which reacts with water to form sodium hydroxide. Magnesium does not react with oxygen at room temperature. On heating, magnesium burns in air with intense light and heat to form MgO. 2Mg plus O2, 2MgO. Iron metals does not burn in dry air even on a strong heating. In moist air, iron is oxidized to form rust. 3Fe plus 2O2 plus H2O, Fe3O4. Copper is the least reactive metal and does not burn in air even on heating. However, on prolonged strong heating, copper reacts with oxygen and forms copper oxide, cupric oxide outside and copper oxide inside. Means cupric and cuprous oxide, both oxide is formed. The cupric oxide outside and cuprous oxide in inside. 2Cu plus O2, 2CuO. Gold and platinum do not react with oxygen in air. The order of reactivity of metal towards oxygen as follow sodium, potassium, magnesium, zinc, iron, and copper. Nature of metallic oxide. Generally, metallic oxides are basic in nature except aluminum and zinc oxides, which are amphoteric in nature. That means these oxides react with base as well as acid. The bases of metal react with acid to give salt. Reaction of metal oxides with water. Some oxides of metal like sodium, potassium and magnesium dissolve in water to form soluble hydroxide known as alkali. Na2O plus H2O and 2NaOH. K2O plus H2O 2KOH. Basic nature of oxides. Oxides of metals like calcium, magnesium and copper are basic in nature. They react with water to give an alkaline solution which don't dissolve in water. CaO plus H2O, CaOH2. MgO plus H2O, MgOH2. MgSO4, MgO plus H2SO4, MgSO4 plus H2O. Next will be explained in next.